Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel and to my video about Looka. If you never heard about Looka, Looka is a logo maker website that gives a very fun way to create a logo. I actually used Looka to create a CEO Pathway a logo and also two other websites that I own. Alright, so the first thing you do, you go to Logo Maker and then is asking here to choose the name of my company. So let's just pretend here that I'm creating a logo for a pet store, for example. So let me just see my pet store, just generic, just so we can play with it. Okay, so my pet store, and let's make a logo. So it's asking me now, what is the industry? And I'm just going to add pets. Continue. And it gives me now some options of logos, so I can pick from these 5, and the intention here is to get an idea about my taste. I usually like logos that are a little cleaner, not too much going on, but of course you can pick whatever you like best. So let me see here. I like this one, banana. I like this. And I'm just picking it quickly so we can go over to the next screen. This one is cute too. Let's see. I like this one. Okay, so I picked 5. It's asking me to continue. And now it's asking me to pick a color. So what colors do I like? I like blue, I like orange, I like green. So once you hover over the colors, it tells you what the significance, right, of what it means. So blue, trust, loyalty, confidence, intelligence. Purple, royalty, power. Red, power, energy. Green, nature, growth, harmony. I'm just gonna go with blue. I'm gonna pick green, and I'm gonna pick pink. Let's see what comes up. And then I'll go to continue. And it's asking me to tell about yourself. So my pet store is going to be the name, and it's asking me to add a slogan. This is optional, so let me just put here, my awesome, let's see, awesome pet supplies. Okay, and I'll continue. And now it's asking me to pick symbols. So to pick a symbol, I'm gonna, in this situation here, because pets is so broad, it's asking me to choose what I like. So it's asking me here, cat, dog, feline, canine, adoption, pet adopt, animal, cute. So I'm going to stick to pets. And from this one, I'm going to pick 5 symbols. So if, let's suppose my pet store is not just for dogs, it's also for cats. I'm going to be selling cat supplies too. So I'm going to pick this one, this one, this one. Let's go down. I like this. I like this one. Okay, 5. And then you continue. And now Looka is going to start generating some designs. Okay. Okay, so, oops, let's continue the guest. Okay, so it gave me a lot of options here, so you can see they use some of the symbols that I have picked, and the writing in different ways, different fonts, different sizes. My pet store without the symbol, just text here too. I like this one. So let's go with this one. But let's just go down so I can show you something. So you can see how many options they generated. And if for some reason you don't like any of this, you can just ask to create more logos, and it's going to make other suggestions. So let's go to this one that I liked, and I'm going to customize it. So I can go with this logo the way it is now. I can just buy this one, or I can also go with some of the suggested options. So it is the same style here, but it's a different presentation, as you can see. So it's using the same symbol with a different way to write. Here's the same thing. So as you can see, it gives you so many options, and you can change the layout, ask for something different based on this one. So it's using the same color, but and the same symbol, but different ways to present. And I can also pick different colors based on a scheme. So I have classic, calm, energetic, organic. So you can just play with this too. Let's see here, classic. What is classic? It's a little bit more serious. Let's go with energetic. It's probably like bright colors. Yep. Okay. So let's go with this one. Alright. So this is it. So if I decide that I still want to make changes, I can, for example, if I do this, I can, it highlights my logo, my slogan here, and I can just make changes on the slogan in this area here. I can, change the size, I can change the font, the position. So as you can see, I can also change the name of the store. If I decide to do the same thing, I can just come here and do it. And it is really cool. I think this is fun. Even if you decide that you're not going to buy it in the end, I think it just gives you some ideas, some different ideas, of what you like. But let's pretend that I'm going to buy it. Alright, so Looka is not free. You have to pay for the logo, and it offers you 3 different packages. So you have the basic package, the premium, and the enterprise. Each one of the packages have different offerings, right? So for the $20 basic is only one logo, and for the premium and enterprise, you have many more options. So for a premium upgrade, high resolution, different colors, unlimited changes, lifetime technical support, so if something goes wrong, you can come back. And while the enterprise offers all this plus the everything, the premium offers, plus social media kit and also the business card designs. I personally went with the enterprise. I have 3 logos that I bought from Looka, but in my opinion was worth to pay the $80 for the package because I wanted to use everything that Looka offered. But if you think this is too much, you don't need all of this, you can just go with the premium, or even go with the basic, or even just use Looka to get some ideas of logos, just to spark your creativity or something like that. So I'm gonna leave a link to Looka below this video, and if you want to just go and check it out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making the logos and making this video for you. Alright, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Come back and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.